Gotta hit that middle button,
I
right?
got it, dude. Well, I was raised in a little hole in the ground, eastern Oklahoma Hills country town. Back in the woods where the robins and the blue jays sing. A place where everybody knows everybody's name. Mostly good folks, but every once and again out of the blue comes a devil loving devil like me.
Alan, this part is slow.
Now I wasn't the worst thing in town ever saw, but by the age of 17 was on the run from the law, and everybody knew me and knew just what I'd done. I knew right away I had to get out of town, so I hit the highway and threw the hammer down, and that was the first time I'd ever heard the call to run. Singing, listen everybody, if you wanna be free, throw down your burdens and follow me. I'll take you to a new world where no man owns your name. Cause when you're speeding down the highway, you leave all your cares behind. You never think about tomorrow, cause you're living for the night. Love and excitement replaces all your sadness and pain. Everyone's looking for something that's better. I tell you, man, I haven't found anything here that compares to the way that it feels when you're on the run. Always somebody trying to put me in cuffs, but I'm always running faster. I don't ever give up. This battle may be over, but the war has just begun. I'm doing everything I can, trying to die a free man. Took a 2-hour drive over to OKC, where everybody's got a problem and a place to be. Too damn busy to notice another face in the crowd. And I was invisible, so I thought. Before I knew it, I found myself pinned down and caught my back against a wall. It didn't take them long to track me down.
Thank you.
This meal was over unless something went down. I could leave this city and find another town, but I didn't want the trouble that I knew would be following me. Started sweating bullets, my hands started shaking. I knew my next move would be history in the making, and I made my next decision before I'd ever took a time to think. Singing, listen everybody, if you wanna be free, throw down your burdens and follow me. I'll take you to a new world where no man owns your name. When you're speeding down the highway, you leave all your cares behind. You never think about tomorrow, cause you're living for the night. Love and excitement replaces all your sadness and pain. There's always somebody trying to put me in cuffs, but I'm always running faster. I don't ever give up. This battle may be over, but the war has just begun. to die a free man. There's always somebody trying to put me in cuffs, but I'm always running faster. I don't ever give up. This battle may be over, but the war is just begun. All I'm doing everything I can. I'm doing everything I can. Trying to die a free man.
Yeah, all the way.